Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Mahmud Hassan, Assistant Teacher Agriculture, Greenfield School and College. Today I am going to discuss about some MCQ question on Chapter 4, Lesson 3, Climate and Weather and Climate of Bangladesh. So let's start the main discussion. Question 1. In which division is the lowest rainfall in Bangladesh occur? Option A Khulna, Option B Borishal, Option C Rajshahi, Option D Dhaka. Among the following options, the correct answer is option C Rajshahi. Now the next question. In which month is there less vapor? Generally, we know that less vapor in air occurs in only winter season, and more vapor occurs in only rainy season. So, less vapor in winter season. So we know that winter season is generally starts from Poush and ends to Magh. So the correct answer should be Poush and Magh. Option A is Boishakh and Joshto. Boishakh and Joshto is not winter season. In Boishakh and Joshto, vapor is not less. Ashar and Shravan is the rainy season. In Ashar and Shravan, we see rainy season. And on the other hand, Bhadra and Ashwin month is very warm season. So here the right answer should be Poush and Magh. Now question 3. In which direction does the temperature falls in month of Poush, Magh in this country? The correct answer should be temperature falls in the direction. Which direction? Among the option, first option is from west to east to west direction. It should not be the correct answer, because eastern countries are very warm countries. Wind from eastern country if winds from eastern country comes to the western country, then the wind will be very warm. But in Bangladesh, this direction is not valid in the month of Poush and Magh. So the correct answer is from south to north direction. Now question 4. What is the annual average rainfall in Bangladesh? Annual average rainfall in Bangladesh is 1100 to 4500 centimeter, 4500 centimeter. Now question 5. When does the highest temperature prevail in Bangladesh? In Bangladesh, the highest temperature prevail generally in the month of summer, and this summer season begins from Chaitra to Bhadra, begins from Boishak to Jyeshto. So the correct answer should be Boishak and Jyeshto. Highest temperature occurs in Boishak and Jyeshto. Now question 6. What is the average comparative relative humidity of air in winter? Average comparative relative humidity in air is less in winter season, but it should be 73 to 84%. Now I want to check this question in your textbook. Here the answer is written: the average comparative humidity of air in winter is from 73 to 84%. Now question 7. It does not rain all the year round. It rains heavily in some seasons. Again, there is less rainfall during some seasons. When does about 90% of rainfall occur in a year? Option A, March to April. Option B, April to May. Option C, April to August. Option D, August to September. The correct answer is given in your textbook. You have to see this answer to your textbook. Here about 90% rainfall occurs during April to August. So the correct answer is April to August. Now question 8. In which season of Bangladesh does it rain less? We know that rain occurs less in winter season, so the correct answer is winter. Now question 9. The reasons of more rainfall in summer are enough vapor, much humidity in air, monsoonal wind direction from south to west direction. This is a quite difficult question for you, so you have to check the main textbook. Here read the last paragraph. Humidity. Read this paragraph and you will get the answer. Humidity differs quietly with the change of season. The air has little vapor in winter. The air is quite humid in summer and rains. The humidity of air is related with rainfall. The average comparative humidity of air in winter is from 73 to 84%. Bangladesh frequently faces natural calamity like heavy downpour, a shortage of rain, etc. Okay, we have get the answer. We have gotten the answer. The answer is 1, 2 and 3. because in the summer season air contains enough vapor, the humidity of air is much, and monsoonal wind direction is south to west. Monsoonal wind direction is south to west. I want to check this from here. In summer season there are much vapor in air flowing from south and southwest direction. So this is also correct. So this third option is also correct. So you have to correct all these. You have to choose D as correct answer. Now question 10. The characteristic of climate of Bangladesh are: option 1 moderate rainfall, option 2 long winter, option. I want to check this answer to your textbook. Now see this textbook. The main characteristic of the climate of Bangladesh are proper rainfall. Proper means moderate, so option 1 is correct. Moderate winter and wet summer. Wet summer is correct, but long winter, not long. If here in Bangladesh there is no long winter. Winter season is very small, and so we can say that the correct answer is moderate rainfall and wet summer. 1 and 3. The correct answer is 1 and 3. So now we have some time in our hand. So I want to discuss about lesson 4. So watch carefully. Lesson 4. Now lesson 4. Lesson title of the lesson 4 is agroecological zone based on soil, water and climate. Soil, water and climate differ in different regions of Bangladesh. For this variation, one particular type of crop grows soil in one special area. Bangladesh is divided into 30 agroecological zones on the basis of soil, water and climate. This classification is made considering soil type, fertility, nature of crop growth, level of water in the land during flood, tenure of crop growth in that area, rainfall and temperature. The names of 30 agroecological zones are given here. You should not remember the name of these zones. You just read this name only, such as number 1 Old Himalayan Pediment Plain land area, active Tista flooded or inundated land area, Tista Mindar flooded land area, Korotwa Bengali flooded land area, Lower Atrai basin area, Lower Punorbhaba flooded land area, active Brahmaputra and Jamuna flooded land area, young Brahmaputra and Jamuna flooded land area, old Brahmaputra flooded land area, active Ganges flooded land area, high Ganges river flooded land area, low Ganges river flooded land area, Ganges tidal flooded land area, bill areas of Gopalganj, Khulna, Arial bill area, middle Meghna river flooded land area, lower Meghna river flooded land area, young Meghna Asturin flooded land area, old Meghna Asturin flooded land area, eastern Surma Kushiara flooded land area, Sylhet basin area, northern and eastern predominant plain areas, Chittagong coastal plain land areas, St. Martin Coral Island area, plain Barindh tract, high Barindra area, northern eastern Barindh tract, Madhupur area tract, northern and eastern hilly area, Akhaura terrace. Now look at this map of Bangladesh. This map is designed in different forms. In this map you see some numbers on different jelas or upojelas. Here is 1, here is 2, here is 3. This indicates the agroecological zones of Bangladesh. Suppose number 1. Number 1, the number 1 area is Thakurgaon Panchagor. This Thakurgaon Panchagor is under old Himalayan predominant plain land area. Number 2 is, this is Tista river, so number 2 area is under active Tista flooded or inundated land area. Number 2 area is Nilphamari. Nilphamari is under this zone. So you can search your own village or own district in this map, and you can understand. You can locate the area of your village under these 30 agroecological zones. The main thing is that in agroecological zone, same type of crops will be grown. Suppose the crop grows well in number 1 agroecological zone, cannot be grown well in number 2 agroecological zone. So there are some differences from one agroecological zone to another agroecological zone. Bangladesh is classified into 30 of these type of agroecological zones. In the same agroecological zone, same soil quality, same environment or ecological system occurs. So agroecological zone is very important for agricultural studies. Thanks for watching this video. In the next video I will show you lesson 5. The title of the lesson 5 is Flood, Cyclone and Drought Prone Areas in Bangladesh. I will discuss about some flood, cyclone and drought prone areas in Bangladesh. So thanks for watching this video.